Today's topic of medical education series is about integration ladder. I have discussed integration ladder in detail in previous video, but today, to memorize it easily, I would like to tell you the mnemonics, that how you should easily remember the integration ladder. So in order to memorize it, you have to split it into four pieces, like the first three integration ladder steps. Mnemonic is IAH. You have to memorize this IAH. I for isolation stage, A for awareness stage, and H for harmonization stage. Now then you proceed to the next split, that is NTS. We all know the NTS test. So from that you can easily remember NTS. N for nesting, T for temporal coordination, and S for sharing. Now the third split is CC. First C for correlation and second C for complementary. And then we all know MIT. So M for multidisciplinary approach, I for interdisciplinary approach, and T for transdisciplinary. So that way you can easily remember IAH, NTS, CC, and MIT. Now in isolation stage, the departments are totally isolated from each other. They don't know the activities of each other. Awareness means that now through informal means they know that what activity is going on in the other department. Harmonization means that now the departments are in harmony with each other. They know the activities of each other through formal ways. Then nesting comes. Nesting means that you not only teach the students the main topic, but also the implications of that topic. Like if you are teaching diarrhea, you should tell his pathophysiology treatment, and also tell its community medicine part, that it is more prevalent in poor patients. Then comes temporal coordination. Temporal coordination means that now there is horizontal integration, and the cardiovascular system is taught by anatomy, physiology, biochemistry parallel. Then comes the sharing. In sharing integration, a topic of mutual interest is chosen, and that is taught together by two departments. Then comes the correlation. In correlation, the departments are still discipline based, but now 10 to 20% of the course is integrated. And then comes the complementary system. Now the integrated portion is increased, and separated portion of the curriculum or course is decreased. Then comes the multidisciplinary approach. In multidisciplinary approach, the integration now comes takes the center of attraction, and the disciplines are now sidelined. Then in the interdisciplinary, the disciplines are further merged together, and identification of the disciplines is lost. And then come the transdisciplinary, where there is a huge building with no identification of separate disciplines. When you enter in that building, there will be rooms like 1, 2, 3, 4, and different skills and different courses will be taught without mentioning the names of discipline. So it's the latest, the more advanced integrated step. Thank you very much.